Good morning,
Hello.
Alyssa Kloucek.
Same Straka.
It's nice to see you. How are you doing?
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, how have you been enjoying the weather? I know we had a meeting a few months ago and
Did we?
we thought about one, but
Okay.
hmm
Gotcha.
but it's pretty nice out today.
Yeah. It's a good day. I'm looking
Yeah.
forward to tomorrow, but because tomorrow is at least Friday. But
Yeah. Finally towards the end of the week, you doing anything for the weekend?
not really.
Yeah.
Just
Just relaxing.
that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what I like to do. All right, do you mind if I take some notes during our meeting?
Yeah. Quick question. Why are you here?
Yeah, I'm here to discuss. Um, we met at the trade show over in Omaha, and I heard that you were interested in some solutions moving towards more electronics. And so,
Are you talking about Joe?
yes,
Gotcha. No, I'm Sam. I'm the buyer.
gotcha.
Yeah. So Joe's bunny died, and
Okay.
so he texted me saying someone's coming in. So that explains better why you're in here today.
Gotcha.
Okay, that makes more sense.
I'm so sorry for the confusion.
And it's all right. Joe's been making me go to these meetings all day, so
Well,
it's fine.
hopefully everything gets better with the
Yeah.
bunny. But yeah. So I want to respect your time. Do you mind if we get started?
Yeah, go right ahead.
Perfect. So currently, right now, what are some challenges that you guys are facing?
On what?
Your bucket trucks, I heard there are a few issues on them running and the efficiency. So I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit more about it.
Okay. Well, they're running fine
Mhm.
because we're still in business. But some of the emissions you were saying, we can't sell into California.
Mhm.
That's one of our, issues that we're having, I guess. So we're losing money there. And also with California, we have some other places like Dallas and Houston that, the noise level's too loud, so our end customers can't work during, they can only work during the day, they can't work at nights. So, I
Mhm.
mean, those are some issues Joe's told me, but otherwise nothing. I mean, we're still making them and selling them, so
Yeah.
nothing else.
How involved are you with the company? Do you mind if I ask specifically,
Involved.
like what position?
I'm the buyer. So I buy everything for these trucks. So I get quotes from suppliers, I make sure they're the right price, order them, and then they go on their way to production.
Perfect. So some of those challenges with those noise emissions and everything, how are they currently being handled?
The noise emissions, we just aren't handling them at all.
Not at all.
No, our customers have to deal with it. We don't. We just sell them it. So
Gotcha. Have you guys thought about solving this earlier? Have you talked to any other companies?
we've had some other people come in and said they could help fix it, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't. To my knowledge, Joe's still looking at options. He's telling me what to buy. I really don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But uh, do you have something?
Yeah, so we've got a variety of different options available. We have things that are going to reduce
Because you sell what
emissions.
again?
We are going to sell some electric solutions for your motors
Okay.
for these trucks.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha.
Because right now I hear that they're running in order for the bucket lift to continue to be working, and that continuous running is a bit of an issue at the moment. Am I correct?
Sure, it can be,
Mm-hmm.
I guess. We build them and then sell them. So our customers are the ones really worrying about the runtime. We just sell them. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. We haven't had any issues with it.
So what is your guys's for your guys's company at Lips LLC main goal for your customers so I can better understand.
For our customers, gotcha. Uh, I mean, our goal is for them to like our trucks if they keep coming back, right?
Mhm.
They're trying to take away trees that go on power lines to trim those off. So then at the end of the day, no one's losing power. So that's the big thing. So I guess they're just want to make sure that they're reliable trucks more than anything. Some have the issue that they can't even take the trucks into California because of our diesel engine. And also our Dallas and Houston's group, they're having issues because of the noise. So, you know, those are some things.
So what we really want to focus on with integrating these new solutions, these electrical motors, would be the retention of your customers.
I mean, retention would be great because we could sell more, but one thing we want is sell into California. And then also just making sure we can get into Dallas and Houston as well, in those bigger cities.
Expanding your outreach in general.
Yeah, I mean, we sell these globally, so I don't know how much more we can go, maybe Mars or something, but we'll see what Elon goes from there. But yeah, I mean, it's more just making sure that we can get these sold to the right people. So
Hey, we'll get there someday. They just had that space flight, so
yeah.
By any chance, has Joe filled you in on what's been missing from these past solutions that you guys have explored?
Missing? I mean, they're working to my understanding, but it's been now just upper management getting on Joe, and he's complaining at lunch and stuff about getting in California and the noise more than anything.
So these, I remember that you at the beginning, a few minutes ago, mentioned that you had explored other companies, or Joe had explored other companies, pardon me. So what didn't work out with those companies?
I mean, we're still waiting on quotes. We're just up in the air right now for stuff.
Perfect.
One big thing is that why we haven't pulled the trigger on any of this stuff yet, because this isn't new, right? We've been doing maintenance on these diesel engines for 20 years. Do you guys do any of the maintenance on these batteries? We don't know what a battery, if it breaks, what the heck do we do? We've been doing diesel engines, we know how to repair it.
Yeah, of course.
Batteries, do you guys do any repair service like that, or?
Yeah, so we pride ourselves on being a solutions provider. And so with these electronic motors, what you're going to have is reduced maintenance. So you're not going to have to deal with that as much, which is going to be great. You can stay working longer.
But do you repair them? Or
Yes.
go do the maintenance?
Yes.
Can you do it nationwide, globally?
Globally, we can definitely work on, I'd have to get back and talk a few things out, but
So can you do nationwide at least?
yes.
Okay.
Globally, yes.
And then you guys, so now you can do globally?
Nationwide, globally.
Nationwide, okay. Is it all free? So I can just tell you guys to go, hey, repair this, and then I don't send my team out there?
Correct. What we want to provide for you that's what we want to provide for you guys for working with us.
Okay.
So we definitely are open to integrating all of these solutions. We have 45 inside engineers and a plethora.
So then where are you located at?
Where are we located?
Yeah.
So we have areas all over. I'm located over in Omaha.
Okay. So do I just call on you if I need something?
Yeah, and I'll get you in contact with the person that you need.
Okay, so I just need to call you if I need to talk to an engineer or something.
An engineer, we can find the one that's going to be closest and most convenient towards the locations that you're having any issues with. And then that person will be the closest, because we don't want you to call someone who's states away.
Okay.
So what is your top priority when choosing a vendor?
Mine, for being a buyer, my top priority is going to be on-time delivery and making sure we have quality coming in, no failures. I don't want to deal with that. I'm getting told my throughput's down. We need to increase our throughput through our production. So anything to do faster, and then obviously with tariffs going on right now, some of the pricing as well. We can't go overboard because we can't give that to all of our customers. So
absolutely, those have been affecting a lot of things ever since they went in.
Yeah, they're fun right now.
Oh, yes. So what is In your mind, what is your ideal solution?
Ideal
Mhm.
solution, California drops the law so we can get our 25 horsepower back in. But that's probably unlikely. So an ideal solution, it would be a drop-in replacement to what we already have. So it's minimum for that. And then also that you guys take care of most of the service or all the service as well, since we don't know how to work with batteries.
Absolutely, and that's why it's a great thing. Our team's full of a lot of extremely talented people. I mean, even when talking aircraft, we got two pilots on staff at all times. So
Can they
it's
go globally?
those pilots.
Yeah.
I don't know much about what they do specifically.
Okay.
So I would have to get back to you if you're definitely interested in that.
Well, it'd be in because you could have pilots fly the service team globally, and then you could do that. So that might get a way around it.
Yeah. Um, well, awesome. Okay, so with these solutions going more electric,
Hmm.
what we can do for you is we can definitely target that noise and emission reduction,
Okay.
which sounds like something that you guys are extremely interested in, especially with that
Yep.
California, Dallas, Houston, correct?
Hmm.
All right. And reduce maintenance and the maintenance that we will have, we're willing to help you out with, and we're going to cover a lot of that. We're going to teach you and inform you guys because obviously this is new to you guys, right?
Batteries are, yes.
Mhm.
Our bucket trucks that we've been making for 20 years now.
Yeah. So you guys are experts in that. We're experts in our field. That's why we want to work with you, and we have a bunch of people who we're gonna work together for that. And then the cost of ownership, we definitely talked about we want to keep prices down, right?
Okay.
So
I'd prefer that.
yeah.
Ben?
Next meeting's here.
Gotcha.
All right. So we want to keep those prices down, and that's kind of our goal. So we've talked about a lot of really great things. I would love to pull up a quote for you and present it to you a little bit later. Do
Okay.
you mind if we set up another meeting?
I mean, that's fine with me. Joe's gonna be one spec in the sense, so he's probably the one you want to talk to on that. So that's fine. Do you have information for him or?
Um, how about 3 o'clock this afternoon? Do you think
Yeah.
that'll work?
I'm assuming his bunny will heal from that. So go from there. So that works for, I don't care. It's Joe's schedule, but sure, that works for me.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
for your
thank
time.
you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy your weekend.
You too.